All right, everybody, welcome to episode 2 of Joyride, aka the PTGT, which, well, because PT and GT, they rhyme. Any guesses what PT in PT Cruiser stands for? I do actually need the guesses. I don't know. I need to Google it, but don't Google it. In the comments right now, say what you think it stands for without reading everybody else's comments, because there's probably somebody who actually knows. I mean, it could be part-time, could be, I went with pterodactyl. It's a pterodactyl cruiser. I might name it pterodactyl. Anyway, what we're working on today is getting, well, the car cleaned up because it's, well, truth be told, I've been cheating on you guys because I actually started cleaning it the last couple days, just a little bit here and there. Last night, spent some time, as can be seen here. It has 234,000 kilometers, which is a lot of minutes. Somebody else's juices getting in things, like even the seats. I mean, there was a lot of dirt coming off, but what's in that? It's people's butt juice. And just everywhere, and it just got like that musty. Do you want to know what's really nasty in vehicles? Yeah, seat belts. Think about how many times over the course of this vehicle's 15-year life somebody's grubby hands grab the seatbelt, and think about how many times it's been washed. The answer? I'm almost done for tonight. You can't tell, but it's really, it actually looks like this. Anyway, we're gonna finish up shampooing the vehicle, and then maybe we'll get to a box of treats. And by treats, I mean car treats. Hi. It might look better like this. I'm the Tiger King. Dog. Bear? Raccoon? Pterodactyl. Just take a moment and appreciate how disgusting all of that is, but then also what happens after we shampoo it. Huh? And look at this is, that's kind of what it did look like. And now, there was just the floor and that little strip on the back seat. That's it. And it's not to say that specifically this vehicle is extra disgusting. That's any older vehicle. If you never shampoo your carpets, that's what's, there's like bits. Oh. Now back in 2006, they were still using real leather, which I think some people still are, but a lot of people are moving away from it to other materials that, you know. I'm talking to I'm talking to all the people on the YouTubes and the Facebooks, all different people. So leather cleaner, you spray this onto a microfiber cloth, wipe it in, then you wipe off the excess with a dry microfiber cloth, and then some leather conditioner that you put in there afterwards, and that soaks it in, and it looks kind of gross like this. Oh yeah. Leather conditioner. Have I mentioned yet how practical this thing is? Like, look at this space. There's so much space. Wow. It's not the most exciting work. And don't get me wrong, I'm not one of those weirdos who really enjoys cleaning his vehicles, but I love cleaning vehicles the first time after I buy them. After that, I take it somewhere else. But the first time, that's a fun time. It's like restoration. You're like, you know that it's clean to the best of your abilities. This is just one of those doors that makes me think, like, what happened here? Like, what? Oh. See, a project like this is just a bunch of little wins. Good satisfaction from accomplishing a task, even if it isn't, like, is this going to change the world? No, but it still feels good to accomplish something. And this whole thing's almost clean. Speaking of satisfaction, take this. Oh yeah, and some disgusting vents. Oh yeah. Get it in there. Oh. Yeah. All right, we are so close to being done, which I'm excited about. The last thing. Got everything wiped down, washed down, shampooed, vacuumed. This stuff right here. Mother's Protectant, mostly because it's some of the best smelling stuff I've ever smelled in my life. It smells like every amazing candy combined. I don't know how to describe it. It's good, and it protects and cleans and makes it good. Hey, does it smell good?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch.
And there we go. Is it perfect? No. Is it better? Yes. Does it feel good to be done? Yes. Am I happy I did it? Yes. I don't know. There's something about a clean car. It feels good. Hey, that's an easy way to introduce some joy into your life in a ridiculous PT Cruiser. Clean it. Even your own car. Clean it. I don't want to clean my minivan, though. I'm going to take that to Bennett. They'll clean it there. What do you think?
Let's see.
I actually already showed you.
Wow.
You're a good actor. You already saw it.
I already did.
I know,
Okay.
but just tell the people.
I'm actually very impressed. It smells so much better. So much better. And even the leather, like, it looks like different seats. I'm surprised at how nice looking.
Have you had everybody else's butt juices out of there?
That's disgusting to think about, but yes.